After purchasing, you will receive your access link to make your copy of the template. Please note, to enable the full functionality of the template, including automated features powered by Google Apps Script, you will be prompted by Google to authorize the script when you first use the script features. This is a standard Google security measure to ensure your data remains safe. When you see the authorization screen, you may notice that your own Google account is listed as the developer. This is completely normal. Because the template is a copy made in your Google Drive, Google assigns the script to your account. You are simply giving yourself permission to run code within your own spreadsheet. Let's dive into our next video where we will learn about the Master Setup tab.